Hello, and welcome to this video. I will show you a way to use your 404 error page on SystemeIO to recreate the functionality of the Pretty Links plugin on WordPress. It means you will be able to use any short link on your own domain name, or SystemeIO subdomain, to redirect the visitor wherever you want. It can be used to create short links to your YouTube channel, to affiliate links, to your blog, etc. The code provided is a script that performs URL redirection based on the current path. It works as follows. First, it sets up a mapping of shortcuts to their corresponding URLs in an object called jamesrecommends. Then it examines the current path of the URL using window.location.pathname. Using a clever regular expression pattern, it extracts the part of the path that comes after the first /. Next, it checks if there is a match and if any characters are found after the /. If there is a match and characters are present, it stores this extracted portion, excluding the /, in a variable called jamesto. After that, it verifies if jamesto is not an empty string. If jamesto is indeed not empty, it looks for a matching key in the jamesrecommends object that corresponds to the extracted portion. If a match is found, the code redirects the page to the URL associated with that shortcut using window.location.pathname. If no match is found for jamesto, it then checks if there is a default key in the jamesrecommends object. In the presence of a default key, the code redirects the page to the URL associated with the default key. However, if jamesto is an empty string, meaning no characters were found after the /, the code also checks for a default key and redirects to its associated URL if available. In summary, this code analyzes the path of the URL, searches for matching shortcuts, and performs redirections accordingly. If no matches are found, it falls back to a default URL if provided. I hope this clarifies how the code operates. You can copy and paste the code directly into your 404 error page on SystemeIO. The code is in the description of this video. Have a nice day. Bye.